Can you stop? Go sit on that bed. Go sit on that bed. I can never record in peace, y'all. It's like. But hey, peace, what's up?
I'ma jump in it like this. I don't party with the kids. I get lit and I sit at the crib. You my baby, no beer.
It's gonna be something quick. We're about to head out, so I'm about to do just something light to my face. We're gonna go look for some excitements. Well, entertainment, not excitements for the kids. We're supposed to be taking them to indoor playground. And then go to the movies and have some lunch, dinner, whatever time it is at the time. We've already had breakfast. Yeah, so I'm just gonna pop in my lenses and then get started. I'm trying to give y'all as much lighting as I possibly can, but the way outside is looking, it's so gloomy, y'all. And there's like a lamp here, but it's not that bright. So we're just gonna go with what we have. Let's push this back a little bit. So as y'all know, I am out of town. We are in Louisiana. Y'all know, Nivea cream to start priming my face. So we are in Louisiana, and we've been here for like a couple of days so far, and we haven't done nothing, y'all. When I tell y'all nothing, we haven't done not a damn thing. We got here, we were so tired because we were so tired because I stayed up all night Thursday trying to pack up on Friday, and stayed up all night Friday night, and then trying to finish everything for Saturday morning. Oh my gosh, I messed up my contact lenses because our flight leaves Saturday morning. But yeah, so we've been up all night, and it's kind of been difficult with our scheduling and stuff. My face is primed. All right, I didn't bring my whole makeup case, so I just brought the bag. Makai, can you cut off that light, please? Turn off the light, please. Thank you. Okay, so y'all know we're not doing no foundation. I brought some foundation, but I don't think I'm gonna use it. Y'all know I like to stick to the eyebrows and the concealer, so we're gonna do that and get my brow pencil. But yeah, so I'm looking at the mirror in front of me here. Kai, can you not touch, please? Thank you. Go sit. Makai is going through a phase where I don't know what to call it, because it's not terrible twos. He's past the twos already, so this terrible twos thing should have ended by now. So I don't know what you want to call it. I can't really see. This mirror is so far from me. We're gonna like stop a couple places since we didn't really get to do much yesterday since we were so tired. They don't want to see your shoes. Oh my gosh. Can you let mommy record, please? Go read your book. He's taking Zai a shower, so that's why I was trying to record while Kai and T was in the shower, because that would have been a little bit more easier because Zai is not as annoying. But as you can see, Makai, he's a bugger. I don't know what to talk about. Y'all know every time I get on here doing makeup, I never know what to say, how to say it, nothing. Like, I just be on here rambling, so I'm probably just gonna mute most of the video. Yeah, we're just gonna mute this and zoom through, because as y'all can see, we got Mr. Kai over here. Okay, what's your problem? Done. So let's cover up these. So again, I'm using my InStylish beauty blender. You guys, this is the truth. The link to it is going to be down below. Like, it blends out really well, especially when it's wet. I have another video where I recorded where I was using it
wet
while it was wet. Y'all know wet is like the best thing. Like,
wet is the best thing.
Yes, everybody, like, there's not anything wrong that you guys can say about wetness. Like, people just love wetness. Like, things are always better when they're wet. Like, ain't that right?
No, bro.
No? Tell me something that's not good when it's wet. Besides bread.
A bed that you lay in?
Well, if it's a water bed, then it is good when it's while it's wet.
No, it's not. We'll sleep in a wet bed.
I said if it's a water bed.
What about wet drawers? You gonna put on wet drawers?
Girls are wet every day in their drawers.
Boy. Take that out.
Why? I forgot mine.
They know about it. Do you know your nieces watch your type of stuff?
I know they do. Thomas, you don't see your son trying to suffocate your other son?
They really trying to suffocate him.
This InStylish beauty blender, I'm trying to tell y'all, it's the truth. And y'all know I wouldn't lie to y'all about stuff. Like, it blends really well. Y'all know I have other beauty blenders that I've used on my channel, and I tell y'all how much it sucks. But this one is doing the darn thing. Like, when I tell you doing the darn thing, it's doing the darn thing. Let me let that sit for a little bit because it's not blending like how I want it to. Alright, and then I got a new baking powder, y'all boys. Hold on, this is not, it's on manual focus. Look. So it's by Airspun. It's original formula loose face powder. Airspun. I got it on Amazon, so we're gonna see how it hold up. Let me blend this out now and see if it'll. Alright, that's way better. I'm just gonna bake under my eyes. That's what I always do to just like brighten up under my eyes a little bit. While I spilled my whole it comes with this. I didn't even know it comes with stuff like this. Oh my god, this is making a mess!
It's so informative. Like, all you want to do is give me information.
Aren't you supposed to be informative? Let me know down below if y'all guys don't like when I'm like so informative. Do you guys feel like I talk too much? And I should and I just should do what I came here to do.
And all doing that talking.
Let me know if y'all don't like that. Like if y'all feel like I talk too much. And we're just gonna dab a little bit on my cheek because I don't want my cheeks look oily or my forehead. And that's it. So that's it. We're done. I'm gonna brush this off a little bit. I look crazy. I look like a whole clown.
Like a whole what?
Clown. Alright. Baking powder's done. Oh, I forgot. We gotta do lashes. We ain't gonna do no eyeshadows because that's too much. We're gonna do some lashes though.
The baby. The baby. The baby.
You a baby too. You a baby too. He said, He's like, I'm not a baby. You just as much as a baby as your brother is. Ooh. I love my eyebrows, y'all. And I didn't even try that hard today. Things always come out better when you don't try hard. Do y'all notice that? Now, I'm gonna do some lashes. I hate eyelashes, but hey, we're just gonna do it. It's just gonna be a quick natural beat, like I told y'all. And I'm gonna use my La Flare 3D mink lashes. There we go. If I told y'all how long it took me to get these lashes on, y'all would think I'm lying. And I don't even think I still don't think they're on right. Like, okay, where you going?
What you going, bro?
Do some mascara. I always put mascara on my lashes because I feel like
Where you going?
they plump them up a little bit.
We ain't going nowhere. No.
Can you close that door, please, sir?
Close the door, bro. Come here. Come here. Oh no.
Alright, we're gonna leave that at that. Do some quick eyeliner and then some lip. I probably should have did my eyeliner before my mascara.
Lip.
Alright, you know what? We're gonna leave eyeliner alone. We're just gonna put it right here. And that is it. I'm just gonna do a little wing. Even though I feel like I did that absolutely wrong, but last thing is lip. I got these two colors. I want to mix
First
them
game
somewhere.
head, last game lip. Yeah.
I think this would go in the middle. Yeah, I don't like this color, y'all. And then I would put this one on the outside. I don't like this middle color, y'all. It's too bright. I don't.
I think I should wear a white shirt under this.
And see?
Huh?
I like it.
That you don't like, you like, I don't like.
Because you don't know how to dress, I told you
Hey,
that.
watch your mouth, Chit.
Alright, y'all, so this lip color is not it, right, Thomas? Exactly. Pass me a wipe.
Old ass aunties that don't
Pass me a wipe.
That don't know how to
Yeah, this is too dark.
They trying to come to your crib and you're like, give auntie some kisses.
It's not even coming off.
They put so much in here.
I didn't. I only dabbed it. It is so damn strong. Let's do some of this.
That's better. Now you got to put like a line around your lip. You know what I'm saying? You just made your own lipstick, bro. You just made, oh shit. You just made up your own little lipstick thing, bro. I've never seen that color in my life.
Let's see how dramatic he be, y'all. This lip gloss is really sticky though. That's the only thing I don't like.
My lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is cool. All he goes, good job. You be stunting me after school. That's how you say that? Or I got the wrong lyrics. How you gonna bust your head open if you don't talk now?
Alright, y'all. So this is the finished look. I already fixed my hair, put my clothes on because we needed to go, and my battery died. Out of focus! My battery died, like I was telling you guys before, but let me know if you like it. It's just a natural beat. Got ads right in the background acting up, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button to be notified, and don't forget to thank you. Tell a friend so they could tell a friend so they could tell a friend so they could tell another friend so that friend could come back and watch me. Until next time, peeps.
Deuces.
Deuces.